Hello everyone. So we are discussing the NEET phase 1 question. The question is from the model periodic table and mainly periodic table. Question number 18 is mentioned here as which of the following period contain most of the man-made radioactive elements. So as we know that radioactive elements is placed in the group period number 6 and period number 7 of the model periodic table. Radioactive elements are those elements which release the alpha, beta and gamma rays and continuously decay in their size and their amount. So radioactive elements are these type of element. Option number 1 is 7th period. Option number 2 is 5th period. Option number 3 is 6th period. And option number 4 is both 1 and 3. But this question is asking about the man-made radioactive elements. So group period number 6 contain the radioactive elements which found in the naturally in our environment. And option number period number 7 contains the radioactive elements which is found, which is made by the, which is human made, which are man made. So option number 1 should be our answer. So this for this question, 7th period should be our answer for the man made radioactive elements. Thank you.